Hello everyone, this question appears in Class 7th NCERT Chapter of Perimeter and Area. This is 11th question of its exercise 11.3. So the question says that a circle of radius 2 cm is cut out from a square piece of an aluminium sheet of side 6 cm. What is the area of the leftover aluminium sheet? So हमें radius given है 2 cm. So area of circle is equal to pi r square. So 3.14 into 2 into 2. So 3.14 into 4 is equal to 4 4 is 16, 4 1 is 4, plus 1 5.43 is 12. 12.56 centimeter square cut out from a square piece of an aluminum sheet of side 6. So हमें side given है square की 6 centimeter. So area of square is equal to side square is equal to 6 square is equal to 36 centimeter square. So what is the area of the leftover aluminum sheet? So area of leftover aluminium sheet is equal to, हमारे पास एक कंप्लीट शीट थी स्क्वायर की, एल्यूमिनियम की स्क्वायर शेप्ड शीट थी. इसमें से हमने एक सर्कुलर पीस हमने एक कट करके निकाल लिया है. सो शेडेड पोर्शन का हमें एरिया फाइंड आउट करना है. सो ये हो जाएगा एरिया ऑफ स्क्वायर माइनस एरिया ऑफ सर्कल. सो 36 minus 12.56 is equal to 23.44 centimeter square. Thank you.